Hello students, I am Puneet Kaur from Department of English, GGDST College, Haryana. Today we are going to begin the very first lecture of English compulsory of BA semester 1. So, first of all, we will discuss the syllabus prescribed for your class BA semester 1 by Punjab University Chandigarh. So let's have a look on the book portion of your syllabus. There will be two parts. First of all, the title of your English textbook is English at Work. So you can buy this textbook from any bookshop. So there will be two parts, the poetry section and the prose section. In poetry section, there will be 4 poems. The title of first poem is Song 36 from Gitanjali. Second poem is From Homecoming. The title of third poem is Myriad Winged Bird. And the fourth poem is I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. So these are the poems prescribed in your syllabus. And in the prose section, there are 4 chapters. The title of first chapter is Spoken English and Broken English. Second chapter is Principles of Good Writing. Third chapter is The Conjurer's Revenge. And the fourth chapter is I Have a Dream. So in the second portion, in the second part, there is prose section and it contains 4 prose chapters. Let's now discuss the pattern of question paper. Your exam will be of 50 marks, theory of 45 marks, and you have to obtain 5 marks in your internal assessment. Means the maximum marks of assessment are 5. There are 2 sections in your question paper. First, in section A, there are 3 questions, question number 1, 2 and 3. In question number 1, there will be reference to the context from poetry and prose. 2 out of 4 passages to be attempted, 1 each from poetry and prose. Means in question number 1, your question number 1 will be based on reference to the context from poetry and prose, and you have to attempt any 2 passages of reference to context out of given 4 in your exam. And these questions will be of 10 marks. Means these 2 passages of reference to context will be of 10 marks. Question number 2. In this question number 2, there are questions from poetry in not more than 50 to 60 words, 5 out of 7 to be attempted. In question number 2, it will contain questions from your poetry section, from the 4 sections which are from the 4 poems which are prescribed in the poetry section of your syllabus. You have to attempt 5 questions out of 7, and you have to answer these questions in 50 to 60 words, and these questions will be of 5 marks. Question number 3, essay type questions from prose in not more than 100 to 120 words, 2 out of 3 to be attempted. Means question number 3, it will be based on your prose section, in which there are 5 chapters prescribed for you. You have to attempt any 2 questions out of given 3, and you have to answer these questions within 100 to 120 words, and this question will be of 6 marks. So this is the section A, which contains 3 questions out of your poetry and prose section. So let's now discuss section B. In section B will be based on your grammar portion. In question number 4, it will be based on paragraph writing, and these paragraphs will be of descriptive or narrative manner. 1 out of 3 to be attempted. You have to attempt any one paragraph writing out of the given 3, and it will contain 5 marks. Question number 5, comprehension of a passage from prose text. It will be of 5 marks. Comprehension of a passage means you have to answer the questions of the given passage. It will be out of your prose section in your textbook. It will be of 5 marks. The next question number 6, is regarding grammar. Uh, in this portion, there will be voice, determiners, modals, antonyms, and these 4 parts of grammar will contain 10 marks. Question number 7, translation from vernacular to English. Vernacular means your regional language, means you have to translate the sentences from Punjabi or Hindi into English. 4 out of 6 sentences, only tense based. 4 out of 6 sentences you have to attempt, and these 4 sentences will be of 4 marks. So students, this is the pattern of your question paper. So we will begin with our first poem prescribed in your syllabus from tomorrow. Thank you very much.